Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic drone showdown. In the left corner, we have the Li-Idea brushless motor drone, and in the right corner, the Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone. Who will take the crown in this drone duel? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk about the first thing that hits your wallet, the price. Li-Idea comes in at a cool $89. Not too shabby, right? Now, Chubery, on the other hand, is asking for $149. That's a $60 difference. What do we get for that extra cash? Reviewers mention that Li-Idea offers great value for beginners and casual users. Chubery, on the other hand, is noted for its durability and extended flight time, which might justify its higher price for more serious drone enthusiasts. Li-Idea sports a 4K camera with a 90 degrees field of view. It's like having a mini Hollywood film crew in the sky. You'll be snapping ultra-high-definition 4K photos and videos at 4096 by 2160 resolution. Perfect for making your Instagram followers jealous. Reviewers have praised its good resolution and picture quality. Chubery gives you a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. Not bad, but 2K is basically 4K's little brother who still needs a growth spurt. However, users appreciate its stability and ease of use for basic photography. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. Li-Idea offers two modular batteries with a total flight time of up to 20 minutes. That's enough time to get some decent shots before you have to bring it down for a recharge. Some users have mentioned issues with battery life though. Chubery, however, crushes it with 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's right, folks, 84 minutes. Reviewers rave about its exceptional battery life, making it a top choice for extended flying sessions. Li-Idea is equipped with high-power brushless motors that promise stable hovering even in windy conditions. Plus, it boasts a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour, perfect for outpacing your neighbor's dog when it decides to chase your drone. However, some users have reported motor failures after a few days of use. Chubery's got strong alloy brushless motors too, with enhanced wind resistance, making it faster and quieter. Thanks to its upgraded composite material, it's more resistant to falls and collisions. Reviewers have highlighted its durability and reliability even in tougher conditions. Li-Idea comes with a bunch of cool features like 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, headless mode, and even VR functionality for professional competitions. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. However, some users have noted that obstacle avoidance can be hit or miss. Chubery isn't holding back either with one-key start, landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfies, and trajectory flight functions. It's basically saying, I can do everything you can do, and maybe a bit more. Reviewers particularly love its ease of use and versatility. Both drones have received mixed reviews. Li-Idea is praised for its affordability and camera quality, but has some reliability issues. Chubery is lauded for its durability, extended battery life, and ease of use, though it comes at a higher price point. So which drone should you go for? If you're on a budget and want some high-quality 4K footage, Li-Idea is your go-to. But if you've got a bit more cash to splash and want longer flight time and a sturdier build, Chubery is calling your name. Either way, both drones are ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. What do you think? Who's the winner in your book? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.